Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create presentation slides efficiently using artboards in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and choose artboards because presentations need flow, not clutter. I create the first artboard as a title slide, then add more artboards for content, visuals, and the closing message. I pause here. Slides must breathe. I duplicate the base layout so alignment stays consistent, then gently adjust spacing so each slide feels purposeful. When text looks heavy, I slow down and reduce it. Silence helps me judge balance. Artboards let me see the entire presentation at once, and that view is powerful. I can feel when one slide